Hello everyone and welcome back to another video, and today I bring you the review of the resin from green stuff walls. Okay, so like I said before, this is ABS like and it is gray, and you can check this on the greenstuffwalls.com. Okay, so I printed the tests. I see what I need this to print nice, because it's ABS. You don't, it's not the same with another resins. Okay, the standard resins, it's very different. For me, in my printer, I saw the specifics I need to do the printing. It's the bottom layer, so the first 5 layers, it's 40 seconds. Okay, and then I put 5 seconds for each layer till the end. Okay, because if you put less than 5 seconds, it's going to be very soft, and if you put more than 5 seconds, it's more stuff, it's more rigid, and it's very difficult to remove the support. Now I have here examples. This is one I put on the photos, and I'm going to remove the supports, and of course they are now fresh from the alcohol. I clean it, and I'm going to remove for you guys to see how it's going. I have 2 different figures right here, 2 different busts I have here, and I have some animals, let me remember, goats. Okay, I got the female and the male. So I'm going to put more close. Let me see. Okay, and I will try this for you to camera to see. So let's put this right here, and the first thing I'm going to go, it's with the animals. I got here the goats, as you can see, and it printed all well. So I scrub a little with the brush when I'm cleaning. So I use 3 cleanings for my resins. I use a dirty one, a middle, and a very clean one, and that is why some of this out, but you can see all perfect. And now let's see how it's go out. You see, so simple. And no issues at all. So this is female, the goat, and now let's go here. I got here just a second to show you the male. We have this more complicated horns, and let's see how it goes. So they are very soft, these supports. Normally the issues, it's because of the legs. So, but let's see how it goes. And as you can see, no issues. Then when this is going to dry, you are going to see a lot of the details. Okay, so it's very important to have this measure. Okay, for this one that I use, the 40 seconds and the 5 seconds, is for the logos. Okay, the logos, it printed really well with this. I got here the supports. So yeah, let's go to the Grinch one. So this is the base, and let's see how much this can be easy. Okay, and as you can see, not a lot of this, just with a file, and it's good to go. Now let's grab the Grinch I got here, and you can see we got here this one. So simple, so simple. And let's go to the base. You see all came out so easily. Now I twist because of the I have inside, and it's so really nice. You can see the ear, the eye balls. I think they are really nice. So you don't lose any details. Okay. Now let's grab this one. This is from Star Wars. You know that little guy that the Guru is always catching, and he says, "Bad baby, bad baby." So this is the one. You see, so soft, so soft. I hear some guys telling that it's not possible to print with ABS like busts. You can print it. What you need to make it just to set your time of printing, your settings to be nice for this. And you can see we got awesome details in the eyebrows, so really nice. Okay, this kind of spots I remove always at the end, so I cure it and then I remove it. It's more easier than now. Okay, so this is the support of this, so let's go. You see how easy. What can you expect? And you can see it's awesome details. When this is going to be dry, you are going to see every details on this. So I am very happy because I don't see nothing happen there. So why I printed this one? This is the girl. It's called Nitro, and this is have a lot of details. You can see here. I have a stick of dynamite, a kind of bomb, and he's using to light the cigarettes. And let's see how it's go out with this all details, and it's not break nothing. Okay, so let's try. Okay, so before you remove this, you just go around first. You remove the outside support. So I am some telling why the way you do it better. Okay, and you see, so easy. Now let's go here on inside. For this I'm going to use tweezers for this one. Here on the cigarettes. So awesome. And it comes out so easily without any problems. So the problem for some of you guys can have, it's just the settings. You see how easy? Now the support and twists, and it come out clean. Now let's see the test of the fitting, okay? Because you have this groove, and let's see. And there it is, nicely. I don't see the other ones. Let me see. So for the Grinch I have here, you see, no much troubles on the feet. Nice. And let's see the other one. Like this or like this? Let me see. Like this. Okay. and there it is. So guys, if you have any questions, just ask me here, I answer you. The settings I'm going to say again, for the Saturns from Elago, it's for this kind of resin, it's what I'm using. Just wait a second, and here it is. So for the green stuff volts ABS like resin, you just use 40 seconds for the first layers of the bottom and 5 seconds for the rest of the layers, and no problem. Okay, you are going to have an increase about 25% of a normal printing if you go to the 5 seconds. It's about 45 1 hour of printing time, but believe it, it's good because this kind of resin is more durable. Okay, if you let this to the ground, it's more difficult to break. And if you are using miniatures, so this is really awesome for miniatures, for playing and gaming. And yes, for busts you can do it too, and figures. So I'm going to print some figures completed about 95 millimeters or 100 millimeters like I do, and I will test and I will post here on my YouTube. You guys can see. So guys, I hope you like it, and I catch you up on the next video. Bye guys.